smoky in there? Don't forget, check your chicken. Ooh, that's burnt. I won't put that on YouTube. Welcome to another episode of Butter and Salt. I'm Krista McLemore, and that's Kevin. And today we're having marinated chicken and rice in a pineapple boat. Say what? I got the inspiration from Pinterest. So we're gonna see if it works together. Right now I have rice going in the microwave, and that 9 minutes went a lot faster than I thought because I have 10 seconds left. So it's gonna beep any second. I'll just wait. To put our chicken in a hot pan so we can get it all cooked up. Now earlier today I made a marinade of teriyaki sauce, brown sugar, pineapple juice, garlic salt. Was gonna do teriyaki chicken, and then I thought, ooh, let's make this a little more Hawaiian because I would rather be on a beach right now. Maybe I should have added lemongrass? I don't know. Hawaiians, hit me up. Tell me what I should have done. I had the chicken prepared into smaller pieces so it would marinate more surface area. Somebody was thinking. Now we're just gonna get it on the pan in the back. Oh, that smells good.
So what's that drink I see?
Oh, today Mama needed a drink. So I made myself a tropical sunrise. If you missed the tropical sunrise, click here. Cook, little chicken, cook. Now here's the part we get to experience together. Turning this pineapple into 2 boats. Okay, wish me luck. That's not down the middle. Okay. We're committed. I should be committed. Alright, only one of these is going to be really pretty. Now we're going to score it, and we're going to scoop it out. Now you don't want to go all the way through. This is kind of like an avocado. And using an ice cream scoop, we're just going to scoop it out. Now we're doing number 2. Now at this point, I am making up for all those times I have forgotten to garnish my dish. This whole thing is basically garnishing. First, rice. No, chicken. Pop some in here. Next, rice. Pineapple. You didn't think I was just gonna let this be a boat, did you? Are we just absolutely salivating at this moment? Because I know I am. There you go, kids. We have made a trip to the islands without ever leaving our kitchen. But now I really want somebody to buy me a plane ticket to the islands. Just to see how I did, you know, for testing. I mean, really I should be doing that before I make the show, but semantics. It's fine. I mean, take me to Hawaii. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I feel like I just drooled on myself. Ow. Just spat everywhere. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, subscribe. If you want to see last week's episodes of Butter and Salt and Cocktail Hour, click the links next to me. Alright, I'm getting ready to chow down on this. So, I'll see you later. Bye.